This is Guru Prasann from 3D Fully Design. This is about my certifications. 3D design of metal cloth hanger. This was one of my old YouTube content. Here you could see this aluminum hanger is hanging shirts. Let's do the 3D stress analysis for this aluminum hanger. Let's take this shirt for analysis on a hanger. Weight of shirt is 0.275 kg. You could see the measurement on a weighing scale. A 3D shirt is hanging on a 3D aluminum hanger. Weight of shirt is 0.275 kg. CAD and 3D training, coaching, mentoring for engineering and diploma students. Aluminum hanger on a nylon rope and a shirt hanging on it. Hanger hook round face splitted to define contact with the nylon rope. This portion is considered as fixed face during the analysis. This is to understand the portion of shirt in contact with the hanger. Let's approximately split the hanger top faces which contacts with the shirt. Let's begin the stress load analysis on the aluminum hanger. Let's define the fixed portion of the hanger during the analysis. Let's apply the load of shirt onto the hanger. Let's choose the appropriate faces for applying the load. The load direction is downwards. Let's apply a total force of 2.697 newtons in the downward direction. Both material and load has been applied. Material applied is an aluminum alloy and Young's modulus and yield strength is mentioned. Let's run the final stress analysis. Hanger has started to deform for the applied force. In real world, this deformation is very small and you couldn't see, but this is a very exaggerated deformation. This is a factor of safety plot. Maximum and minimum factor of safety values were displayed in a callout. The minimum factor of safety found here is 1.02. So this hanger will bear the load of the shirt. The stress plot. Minimum and maximum von Mises stress values. The yield strength is about 27 MPa. The displacement plot. Maximum and minimum displacement values. The maximum displacement found is 0.49 mm. Again playing the exaggerated load analysis.